Hey guys, happy Sunday. Today is day 20 and we are going for a 1 mile walk because I am sore from yesterday's squat. So it's so difficult for me to even walk, but since I committed to doing 1 mile a day, I am. So let's just keep going. I can see my mom somewhere there. Hi bunny. Where are you? Hi, bunny. Bye, bye, bunny. God, somebody actually walked past me, and that's how slow I am today. It's okay. Some days that happens, but tomorrow, let's crush it. Okay, hopefully, hopefully I'm not as sore as I am today. Bye, bye.